how to turn on white theme or default theme back to your WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your WhatsApp theme from either black to system default or white. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your WhatsApp application, and inside WhatsApp application you will see the three dot icon over at the top right corner, and as you can see there's the settings. Just head over to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, you will see the option called theme inside the chats. So once you click on it, you can see the theme at the top, and once you click on it, you will have the three different options, that is system default, light and dark. As you can see, I'm currently using system default, so if you want to toggle it on the light mode, simply click on light and apply, and boom, that is exactly how you can change your WhatsApp theme from dark or system default to white. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.